Hello my friends, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. And in this episode, I'm going to point out the relationship between nature and our mental health and well-being. I just would like to let you know that I'm not a professional, I'm not a doctor, so whatever I say is based on my personal experience. As a young child, I called myself lucky because we always lived by the woods or nature. And it gave me a foundation of love towards nature and also the enthusiasm to protect nature. So the place we live is sort of contributes our feelings towards nature. I would say maybe somebody has acres and acres of land or have a small patio or even a tiny balcony. It shouldn't limit the potential of love and respect and understanding what nature does to us and our well-being, and especially mental well-being. As an educator, I worked with young children, very young children in nursery settings, and it was sometimes, I would say, challenging. So end of the day, when I finished my shift, I came home. Again, I was lucky enough to have a garden, but I choose it to leave the place when I can express myself and just run away end of the day and then just drop myself on the grass and then just take in everything. The beauty surrounds me. You must have heard the phrase green finger. Well, this phrase has been associated with somebody who's getting dirty all the time, walking in the dirty soil and that sort of thing. Actually, it's more than that. Currently, we're living in a century when people give up on nature is old-fashioned, they say. They don't understand how important it is to us human. So, in this episode, I am sort of speaking behalf of Mother Nature and from the bottom of my heart. Nature saved me. I lived in London for many years. I worked in London for many years. And I became ill. I started to have panic attacks. Why? And I was going insane. No, I missed the nature. I missed the close connection. And I missed that feeling when I just walk out of the door and nature is on the doorstep and invites me and say, come walk with me. If I have a free time, I go down to the beach. I even take my dog for a walk twice a day. But it's not all that. It is what you see on this channel and in these episodes. The planning, the pruning, the planting, feeding the birds, looking for more knowledge and experience about plants, trees, and how can I support nature to thrive. And it is not something negative, it's positive. It gives me positive feelings, my brain, my mind. I'm just in my happy place. I feel home, at home. It's home. I'm sure there's lots of people out there who went through or experienced similar situation and mental issues. But please don't give up on nature. Stick to it. Thank you for your time and your understanding. For the next minute or so, please sit back and relax. Take care of yourself and see you in my next episode.